Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get swords in Blox Fruits. These powerful weapons are crucial for close quarters combat, each offering two unique abilities to enhance your fighting style. With a total of 40 different swords available, ranging from common to mythical rarity, there is a vast array to discover and master. Understanding how to acquire them is key to becoming a formidable player in the game. Obtaining swords in Blox Fruits involves several methods. You can purchase many common and uncommon swords from various sword dealer NPCs found across the islands. For rarer blades, you will need to defeat powerful bosses, as they often drop legendary or mythical swords. Additionally, some highly sought-after weapons are unlocked by completing intricate quests or solving unique puzzles. The exclusive Dark Blade, however, can only be acquired through a Robux purchase. Let's look at some notable swords and their specific requirements. The highly coveted True Triple Katana, a mythical sword, demands significant effort. You must first acquire 3 legendary swords, Shisui, Wando, and Sati, and achieve 300 mastery with each. This entire process, including the final purchase from the mysterious man, will cost you 8 million bali. Other powerful swords like the Rengoku are found by using a hidden key in the Ice Castle, while the Dragon Trident drops from the Tide Keeper boss. To efficiently acquire and master swords, focus your efforts. Instead of collecting numerous average swords, concentrate on fully upgrading one powerful blade. Regularly defeating bosses known to drop specific swords will increase your chances of obtaining them. For faster mastery, consider using the 2x Mastery Game Pass, which halves your grinding time. Additionally, employing AFK strategies, or server hopping, can help you locate elusive legendary sword dealers more quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.